Hi, so today we're doing a Matthew and Mommy project, and we've decided to do the build a robot. So the first step that we're going to do is
cut out the transfers so that they're all separate and we can do the robot.
all right. So that was our first step, and then next we're going to go ahead and figure out the design we wanted to create. And unfortunately, it didn't fit on this chalkboard, so we went with the other chalkboard that that our dad made, right?
Yep.
All right. So now what are we doing?
We're putting the robots together to see how they would look.
Okay.
And if they would fit.
And then what?
And labeling the backs of them and tracing them.
To make sure that we put them back because all of our transfers are reusable, right, Matthew?
Yep.
All right, so then what are we doing?
We're sticking the head on first, and I'm putting mine a bit lower, but it's to the side of it, so that's going to affect something later on.
So we went ahead and did this step first, and we went ahead and chose our Chalkology chalk paste. I'm using red, and Matthew's using red, and I did a gray and yellow. But guess what?
Hold on, let's wait for them to show. There we go. Right there. That body didn't fit because the head was too close to the edge, so we had to redo that entire thing.
And with Chalk Couture, you can do that because all of our chalk paste are water soluble and semi-permanent unless you seal it. So we were able to take it off and redo it, right?
Yep.
Yep. So now we're just continuing to do the rest of the body of the transfers because we wanted to make sure we did this together as a mommy and me. So just think of all the things you could do with your boys and girls. We have a build a princess. We have a build your monster. So many cute ideas. Now, Matthew wanted to do this so we each did a certain side, right? And what's it say?
Beep boop means I love you in robot.
Awesome. So what do you think, Matthew? Was it easy?
Yeah.
It was easy.
Except for the part where I had to move the head.
Except for when we had to move the head. But there's the end result. chalkandwithjen.com is my website. I hope you love our design we created together.